welcome back to Edu Skills, OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing channel, give us a thumbs up if you like our work, and share this video to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. All these services at Edu Skills are free of cost. Okay, keep smiling. And today we are looking into beautiful reading part C. Okay, shall we begin?
Yes.
Yes, Father.
Yes,
Yes.
Father.
And we move to sample 5, question 8. So, as usual, listen and read along, looking at the script. Much more important
The
is
writer's
keep smiling.
purpose in the second paragraph is to highlight A. The personal qualities needed for a career in medicine. B. The difficulty of knowing which specialty fits each personality best. C. The extensive choice of career options open to medical graduates. D. The challenge of assessing candidates' suitability for a medical career. A prevailing problem is how to decide on a uniform description of the trades that should be sought in the doctors of tomorrow. After all, graduates from medical school are expected to go on to pursue careers in specialties as diverse as neurosurgery, dermatology, and microbiology. Clearly, these require different skills and personality types. So, can one single recruitment strategy identify a generic set of desirable traits for all future doctors?
Okay, coming to the question stem. What is heading word?
Writer's
Writers.
purpose.
Purpose.
So yeah,
Purpose.
these are the important things. These are the only certain criteria that they use in all the texts. So understand the difference between criteria, reaction, and what you call emotion questions, purpose questions, about questions. Okay, and second paragraph, if there are beginners, always see that you, before you do start solving the problems, first number the paragraphs. Yeah. The writer's purpose is to highlight. To highlight what? Okay. Let's check what he wants to highlight. Coming to the answer options. A, the personal qualities. Yeah, you know, which speciality? Career options. No? The challenge of
assessing candidates.
assessing candidates. Assessing candidates. So, did you get any idea?
First, topic-based answers, topic sentence.
Okay, what is for topic sentence saying? Read this also. Is there a similarity between topic sentence and this one?
The assessing candidates suitability for a medical career.
Challenge.
Challenge. Challenge is
Yeah.
equivalent of
Prevailing
problem.
problem.
Requirement. Requesting a requirement strategy identifies.
Okay, assessing candidates.
For
Decide.
doctors tomorrow.
Doctors tomorrow. Medical career.
Yes, sir.
Future doctors.
Then here, so can one single recruitment strategy identify a generic set of desirable traits for all future doctors? Does it speak anything about personal quality?
No further.
No, Father.
No.
No.
If they have good personal quality also, they can't.
After all,
The
graduates
previous
from medical
sentence.
school are expected to go on to pursue careers in specialities as diverse as neurosurgery, dermatology, and microbiology. Clearly, these require different skills and personality types. Different
So one single
skills and
strategy.
so can
Difficult.
one single recruitment strategy identify a generic set of desirable traits for all future doctors? A prevailing problem is how to decide on a uniform description of the traits that should be sought in the doctors of tomorrow.
D for that.
Okay.
Father D.
Yes.
Medical career.
Assessing candidates. The challenge of assessing candidates' suitability for a medical career. A prevailing problem is how to decide on a uniform description of the traits that should be sought in the doctors of tomorrow. Medical career, doctors of tomorrow. So you have to write down these things and understand this is the option is the paraphrasing of the topic sentence, which is also repeated in a interrogative manner in the last sentence. Beginners, if you find it difficult, don't worry. You'll get the easier sessions as your batch begins. This is an advanced session. These people understand this. That's why we are not going into further details. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Father.
Because the text doesn't speak about anything about the personal qualities needed for a career in medicine. It's not explaining the personal qualities. He should be loving, he should be humble, he should be polite, no, those are the personal qualities, right? It's not,
Yes,
the
Father.
text doesn't speak anything. The difficulty of knowing which specialty fits each personality best. They are not comparing personalities and specialty or specialties. Here, specialties is mentioned. After all, graduates from medical school are expected to go on to pursue careers in specialties as diverse, means different specialties they have to pursue. So the extensive choice of career options open to medical graduates. Career options means job possibilities, employment possibilities. This text doesn't speak about employment possibilities at all. It doesn't say you can work in UK or you can work in district hospitals or other primary health centers, nothing of that sort. Hope that is clear for you. Write down like this, the challenge of assessing candidate suitability for a medical career. And this is the topic sentence. And it is the concluding sentence. If you remember the second type of paragraph. Okay, topic sentence. The main sentence in the beginning of the paragraph and concluding at the end of the sentence, same meaning is paraphrased. A generic set of desirable traits for all future doctors. All future doctors means medical career, not for one doctor. Medical career means for all the doctors. Medical career is not for one or two, it's for all the doctors. Shall I proceed?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Okay, sample 5, question 9. Listen and read along.
9. What does the word them in the third paragraph refer to? A. People applying for places at medical school. B. Aspects of medical school applicants' personalities. C. Documents relating to applications for medical school. D. Grades which applicants are likely to achieve at medical school. Boston University Medical School is confident that this is possible, using applicants' interviews, essays and letters of reference to identify evidence of service engagement, cultural sensitivity and emotional resilience. They attempt to match universally important traits with elements of applicant data that reveal or predict them.
This is what type of question?
Lexical question.
Lexical question. What does the word them in the third paragraph refer to? Them means what? Who are
Sorry.
they? Them. What are the hedging words here?
People.
People
Aspects.
applying.
Medical school applicant.
applicants.
Yes.
Documents.
Document.
Great.
Documents.
Grades. Then grades.
Does it speak anything about grades?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Them.
No.
Them.
Oh.
Yes, you see? Using
Them.
applicants' interviews, the essays,
Essays, letters.
and letters of reference to identify evidence of service engagement, cultural sensitivity and emotional resilience. They attempt to match universally important traits with elements of applicant data that reveal or predict them. Predict whom?
The
Medical school applicants.
Predict,
Applicants.
predict whom? Aspects of medical school applicants' personalities. Are these aspects of medical school personalities reference to identify evidence of service engagement, cultural sensitivity, and emotional resilience? They attempt to match universally important traits with the elements of applicant data that reveal or really reveal them or predict them.
Medical school applicants.
aspects.
How do you justify your answer? They are asking what does this them
Element.
refer to? Details given in the application help to reveal them or their predict about them. Them means who?
Medical school applicant.
Medical school applicants.
Yes.
So, so B is the answer. See, people applying for places at a medical school. That doesn't mean anything, right? Do you apply for
Yes.
places in medical school? And them doesn't refer, them means, documents relating to applicants for medical school. Application relating to applications for medical school, but they are not speaking about documents relating to, but they are speaking about applicant data as the documents. Applications as the documents, not documents relating to applications for medical school. Do you see the difference?
Yes, Father.
And grades which applicants are likely to achieve at medical school. They don't speak anything about grades in this very, very small text. I have made it very big so that you can see it easily. It's a very small text with how many sentences? Only 2 sentences. So easy and simple. Only thing you have to read it again, write down until you understand, you dig out the possibilities. Okay. You have to write
Yes,
down what is people, all these things. And this is very clear medical school applicants.